BimmerTech makes the world's best upgrades and retrofits for BMWs, and our backup camera kits are no exception. Since May of 2018, all new vehicles sold in the US and Canada are mandated to come with a backup camera, and for good reason. Parking assist cameras make parking substantially easier and more efficient, as well as protecting those around you from harm and preventing your vehicle from getting damaged. Now, if your vehicle was made before 2018 and you do not have a backup camera, well, fear not, because BimmerTech can help you. We offer a number of backup camera options: OEM integration retrofit, MMI rear view camera retrofit, and our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Prime, which allows camera integration and so much more. Which option you get depends on your needs. These upgrades offer high-quality images, support dynamic parking lines, and are compatible with PDC-equipped vehicles. These are designed to work with native BMW iDrive displays and are 100% reversible. We offer numerous parking assist upgrades consisting of genuine BMW parts and aftermarket parts for most BMW models. A backup camera is an absolute must-have for safe and secure parking, and installation is a simple DIY upgrade. But if you feel you need professional help with the installation, we have installers in around 30 countries around the world. Backup cameras are an incredibly important safety feature and a great comfort feature to have. Get your BMW the upgrade it deserves with the peace of mind you deserve. Click the link to get yours today.